Hey. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel for another video. This one is a little bit different, but of course it's still gonna be a wig review, y'all. And I feel like I'm leaning a little bit, y'all. Am I leaning? This video will be a collab video with my girl Rose, y'all. The link to her video and her channel will be in the description box below, so y'all definitely check her out. If y'all love me and my personality, y'all definitely gonna love her. I feel like we the same, we act alike, and she cute too, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all go over there and show her some support. And yeah, so basically we did a swap. We had a limit of $30, so we definitely wanted to keep these videos affordable for you guys in the event y'all like the wigs or whatever, y'all want to check them out, y'all want to go buy them or whatever. I purchased the wig for her, shipped it to her address. She doesn't know what she's getting, and she did the same for me. My wig that she purchased for me is packaged right here, y'all. Of course, it is still sealed. Oh my god. As y'all can see, supposed to open it like right there, y'all, so it's still sealed. I don't know what she got me, y'all, but y'all comment down below. Y'all know that I'm a middle part short hair girl, so y'all comment down below before we even figure out what she got me. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think she got. Okay, do y'all think it's a long wig? Do y'all think it's curly? Do y'all think it's straight? Do y'all think it's short? Do y'all think it's a side part? Do y'all think it's a middle part? Do y'all think it's color? I think that it is something long. I think just by feeling it, I feel like the wig is long. I don't know, it could be curly. I think it's long and curly, y'all. I don't know. Go ahead and see what Rose got your girl. And of course I hope she loved the wig that I got her, y'all. Y'all of course gotta check out her video to see what kind of wig I got her. But y'all, I know she gonna slay in it because she cute, and I think the wig is cute, and I just know she gonna slay. Go ahead and see, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready. First of all, y'all gotta subscribe before I open this wig, y'all. Subscribe before I open this wig. I'm just joking. Come on, y'all. This is like Christmas, y'all. Like, oh, what is it, y'all? What is it? It's black, y'all. It looks black. So, okay, I can rock with that, y'all. It looks kind of long. I can't even tell. So excited. So, the wig that she got me, of course, is from Topapa. This is how it comes packaged. Alright, so it does come with a wig cap and the wig, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we got some how did I know this, y'all? I promise y'all I did not look in it, but I said long and curly, y'all, and look at it, long and curly. So it looks like, okay, this is the middle part. It has two clips, one on the left, one on the right, then a clip at the bottom, so a total of 3 clips, and they have a breathable neck and an adjustable strap, y'all. So based on how snug the wig is, y'all, and I just plopped it right on, don't come for me, y'all know I be slaying. Based on how snug the wig is, y'all, I don't even feel like I have to glue it down. Rose, girl, why you sent this wig, Rose? Why you sent this wig? Y'all, I love this wig, and then the texture of it, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, y'all, but it's kind of like a kinky texture, so it's not shiny at all whatsoever. It just looks like real hair. Like, it has like a kinky texture. I can't explain it, but y'all, it has like a kinky texture to it. It just feels natural, like natural hair when it's straightened. I hope I'm making sense right now, y'all, but this wig, this shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. Let me show y'all the bit. And then it's 18 inches. Y'all know I don't like long hair, y'all, but I can do 18 inches. 18 inches is my limit when it comes to hair, because it's too hot. It's too hot. Oh my god, girl, you got me looking like a whole snack out here. Thanks, Rose. Y'all, please make sure y'all check her video out in the description box below so y'all know what I got her, y'all. I think she gonna slay it. It's cute, y'all. Y'all know. Y'all know. Come on with it. Come on with it. She is a natural colored hair type of girl. So I wanted to, you know, break her out of her comfort zone just a little bit, but I'm not going overboard, y'all. I don't think I've ever bought like brown hair, y'all, but I love it. How does brown look on me, y'all? Y'all better let me know. Y'all better let me know. I love it, girl. You got me over here popping, looking like a whole entree, dinner, snack, appetizer, drink, meal, dessert, leftovers, girl. Leftovers. You got me looking like the leftovers too, girl. Again, make sure y'all check out her video. Go over there, show her some love, tell her I sent you. All of her info will be in the description box below. Do not forget, once again, y'all, once we get to 10K, there will be a wig giveaway. So y'all, we still over here slaying. Y'all stop playing, because we over here slaying. So don't forget, continue to subscribe, support. Tell your sister,
baby auntie, baby daddy, best friend, cousin-in-law, best auntie, favorite uncle, his girlfriend. Like, tell everybody, your co-workers, your social worker, your church, your pastor, the first lady. Tell everybody on the deacon board, tell everybody on the mother board, tell everybody like in the pew, tell everybody in the choir. Y'all, make sure y'all tell everybody you know. Somebody just passing in, you know, passing by at the grocery store, just let them know.
It's Jeanette Beauty. We having a wig giveaway at 10K, so y'all better come on, subscribe, so we can go ahead and get this giveaway on the road, y'all. I'm tired of talking about it. I'm ready to be about it. I'm tired of talking about it. Period. Thank y'all so much again for tuning in for another video. Once again, thank you so much again, Rose girl. I love this wig, and I hope you love the wig that I sent you too. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Later.